Mom, we gotta go to the hospital.
Why?
Because when I close my eyes, I can't see anything. Mom, we gotta go. We need to go to the hospital right now. When I close my eyes, I can't see nothing.
Well, open your eyes, stupid.
This one.
Hey, yo. Shower time!
What bitch ass country are y'all from where they got this bullshit at?
Florida.
I knew it.
Alright, we'll go this way. Oh no! It's okay. Oh, my nail fell off!
Papa perked and I blackout.
If anybody ever calls you a whore, chances are you're a whore.
Oh, I almost backed up into that car, yo.
Oh. So the question is, what would you sound like if you had to scream for your life? So I just did a pretty good scream, and now yeah. I have to be creative. I kind of want to sound like I'm scrambling, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. You know, like
Please stop making brownies from a box.
No. I'm sorry, but it's easy. And I'm stupid.
Bro, like, honestly, you're bugging. Like, no cop, like, you're bugging, like, watch. I'm creamy.
Taco for dog. Are you fucking serious? Which one do I pour this shit into? This one or this one? Oh.
My entire body is a no-no swear. Please don't touch me. Or look at me. Kind of makes me uncomfortable. Talk to me. Don't refer to me either. My pronouns aren't.
This shit is disgusting, bro. Fuck, I got your foot, bitch. That shit actually just pissed me off. Are you alright?
Banana Milkies, yes. I will take banana Milkies.
Mommy needs Milkies, where?
God, I hope that person wasn't laughing at me. Oh my God, I'm running away.
Hi guys, life hack. If you have a clogged drain and it's clogged with somebody's hair, obviously it's not mine. Mine's not very long. Get yourself a fork, preferably a dinner fork.
Oh.